Today I'm going to do unboxing. I already tear out the plastic paper just now, but yeah, I'm going to do unboxing on this new earphone I just purchased from Shopee. It's slightly near to 70 ringgit, but I think it's kind for the seller to send me a casing for free. So thanks, seller. I will share in my in the description the name of the seller. And why am I upgrading? Not upgrading really, because this is my current earphone, which is around 130 ringgit. I changed the cable. This cable is 30 ringgit, okay? So the whole thing is way more expensive than this, but when I researched when I asked ChatGPT, right, it kind of quoted this earphone is kind of inconsistent in terms of quality, right? I do really feel it. The clarity is superb, vocal is superb, but the bass is really lacking, okay? And because the connections is a bit loosey, I just put super glue here. It improves a little bit, but sometimes when it get loosey, right, when I connect in and put to my ear, it kind of lost the connection. So I wanted to have a backup earphone, right, just in case during the middle of my team call, this earphone start to fail, right? I really wouldn't want that to happen. So yep, I'm getting this earphone around 70 ringgit. It's the Moondrop 2, okay, all the way from China. According to ChatGPT, this earphone is really suitable for pop, K-pop, techno, things like that. I'm quite nowadays I listen to a lot of K-pop, back to the K-pop era, okay? And also XG, I really love XG. Okay, ooh, nice. The box look nice. I like kind of like anime effect. It's not really nice. All right, so the front side here has a sponge, and this is where the earphone is located. Really feel premium, really heavy. Wow, to my surprise, really heavy, because in comparison to this earphone of mine, it's almost the same weight. Maybe a little bit better because of the metal. The whole thing is made of metal. This is metal here and plastic here. So the weight is almost identical. In fact, I'm feeling this slightly a bit heavier. Nice. Okay, what else is inside? Let me see. I have to break it. It has it has a nice pouch. I'm not sure whether is it for me to put in the earphone. I think I can put the old earphone in this one, because when I put in this casing, it's kind of like compressing the earphone. That's why I'm feeling that this casing is the root cause of me damaging the earphone. But yeah, this cable look nice. Maybe it's silver cable, I don't know. Right, but looks nice. I think there's is there a mic here? I don't think so. This is just a earphone without mic. Okay, and the quality really look nice. Okay, I will try it out. Perhaps in my next video I'll talk a little bit about the quality of this earphone, whether it sounds nice or not. But meantime, the quality really really feel nice. It's very sturdy, hold metal. It feels really heavy, right? Looks like this earphone is going to last for a very long time. But this kind of paint you need to wash out, because I feel that it's easy to damage it. Well, it's tight. It's very tight. Yeah, I think we might need to be a bit more careful. Okay, alright. Later I will share how's the audio quality of this earphone compared to my current KZ-ZS10 Pro. Alright, see ya.